Have you been recently dumped? Do you want to make her regret that decision? If so, then you are in the right place. It is a painful time for most men. We understand that. However, you can make things right. We know that she didn't give any solid reasons for leaving you. But you can give her a robust reason to regret her decisions. It is the moment where you must channel your inner alpha. Bring out the lions caged within your heart. You will make her regret her very own decision. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make her beg for your love. Number 8. Kill the attention. The first step in making her regret is to stop giving her any undeserved attention. Because if you do so, she will only keep you in the friend zone all year. This way, the only thing you will achieve is humiliation. So don't give her any attention. That will amount to humiliating not just you, but your values and opinions as well. Nothing is worse than getting dismissed when you speak your view honestly. People will think you are a man who couldn't stand up for himself. It is even better if you are in a situation where you both have to see each other regularly. Just stop talking to her and stop giving her any attention. It doesn't matter what she does. Just show her that she doesn't matter in your world. Sure, you can keep professional relations. However, be very careful. Don't let her think that you are still in love with her. You do not need to grant favors if she asks you for any. These are just a few things you should be careful about. Number 7. Become invisible. Try to become invisible in front of her. By invisible, we are not asking you to make a magic potion for yourself. Asking you to be invisible means that you cut all contact. Don't talk to her. Don't reply to her text messages. Refrain from returning her calls. Don't even accept her calls. Don't let her get the upper hand. If she asks you to meet her, don't go. Just go incognito. Create information gaps about yourself. Let the mystery play its part because she used to spend much time around you. Now, she will want to know what you are doing. She will try contacting you and see how you are doing. You have to make sure that none of that information reaches her. Just do whatever you can to become invisible in front of her eyes. You can go on a trip for a month or so. If you can't afford that, join the air temple. Become a monk and take a break from all sorts of social activities. However, this is just for the time being so that you can stop yourself from doing something embarrassing. Number 6. Achieve perfection. Don't sit around on your sofa sulking. Don't be sad about this situation. So what if she left you? So what that you are now alone? Look at this situation in a positive light. Becoming a better person is the best way to make your ex regret leaving you. Use this negative energy into something beneficial for yourself. Become healthier in your lifestyle. Try hitting the gym every once in a while. Shape up. Use this as an opportunity to become sexier. Also, now that you have much more time, you can earn extra cash. Try to invest in more significant things. Invest your money into something beneficial. Work even harder and put those hours in. Go out to expensive restaurants and enjoy in the best way possible. You are young and healthy. There's no time for you to waste your life just being sad all around your house. Number 5. Date someone hotter. The best thing you can do is date a woman who is hotter than her. Once you have become a better version of yourself, you will start to see a change. Understandably, high-value men get high-value women. They are high in demand and extremely pretty. When you become better, you will get better attention from females. When you see a female who is hotter than her, more beautiful than her, date her. Try talking to her. It is even better if you try talking to her in your ex's presence. Nothing can be more devastating to her. It is because when she realizes that many women are after you, she has lost an absolute gem of a person. She has lost a real prize because other women see value in you. She will regret her decision to leave you and realize what a fantastic guy you were. So try dating women who are better looking than your ex. Number 4. Enjoy more now. Ask yourself, what will you gain from sitting in your home? What will you gain by drowning yourself in your sorrow? The answer is nothing. You will get nothing from doing such actions. What you must do now is enjoy. You understand that now you have no limitations on you. Now you can catch up to all those series you were denied from watching. You can play all those video games you were dismissed from playing. Just try to live more. Enjoy more. Previously, when you were in a relationship, you couldn't enjoy what you would have if you were alone. Because every time you did something fun, she would call you. She would ask you to come cuddle with her. While you enjoyed it briefly, you started missing your hobbies. So start getting back into those hobbies. Try to spend your time on something that helps you. Invest your time in something that gives you gratification. Number 3, flex to the right people. You must flex in front of the right people. Things can go terribly if you flex in front of the wrong person. For example, many guys break up and start flexing in front of their exes. That is a huge mistake that they must not commit. Flexing in front of your ex should be done subtly. Don't blatantly tell her about everything you achieved after the breakup. Sure, it can be satisfying. We understand that you think nothing is better than that. However, let us tell you something that will taste even better. Whenever you achieve something, post it on your social media account. Make your Instagram public to the masses. Flex your gains and achievements. Flex about the trips you have been on after the breakup. But don't flex directly in front of her face, because she will think that her leaving you has significantly impacted you, which is why you are being petty and flexing about all these achievements in front of her. Number 2, don't idolize her. It is very crucial if you want to make her regret leaving you. This mentality can solve almost all your problems. Most guys get trapped in this feeling of worthlessness. They think that she is the most beautiful girl in the world. They feel that she was the right one for you. Well, the truth is far from this. She wouldn't have ever left you if she was the right one for you. The right person will stick by you no matter how hard the times get. The right person will support you no matter what happens. The fact that she left you is undeniable proof that she was not the right person. Don't think that it is the end of the world now. There are so many beautiful women in this world. Women of different ethnicities, women who would love to be with you and will cherish every moment they spend with you. Women with whom you will feel a special bond that will never be broken. So, get out of this mentality that she was the only one. Don't think that she was the perfect woman for you. Number 1, details matter. Your main aim should be to destroy her ego. Use whatever weapons you have in your arsenal. You can wear nice clothes when women ignore you. They expect that your whole personality will break down. To disprove her, you can wear the best of your clothes. Try to attend events at which she will be present. Doing this will make her realize that what she did was pointless. She will realize that she has lost a good man. She will rethink her decision when she sees you dressed up in a fashionable way. Another advantage of wearing decent clothes is women will give you their attention. When she sees other women giving you a watch, it will break her heart. She will realize that you are a high-value man for whom many women compete. After a few weeks, she will be at your feet, begging for forgiveness. Conclusion. We understand that a breakup can be heartbreaking. Getting over someone you thought you would spend your life with is challenging. No amount of justification will quell your heart. However, it does not mean that you give up on life. It does not mean that you stop living to your maximum potential. Use this moment as a source of infinite power. Make her regret her decisions. Follow these principles, and don't feel sad if they don't work immediately. It can take time for them to function correctly. However, they will work. That is a guarantee. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.